Hey Chinook, we just got 3 new boxes of books, so it's a big book haul. I'm gonna unbox and we'll see what we have in here. All right, Potion Masters, the Oregon Trail series, Land of Stories number 5, Land of Stories number 6, Tale of Emily Windsnap, Land of Stories number 4, Checked, Emily Windsnap, whoa, Wings of Fire, Wings of Fire, more Wings of Fire, Weirdo. So, for those of you that like Diary Kid, that's a good series for you. Holy moly, it's a big box. More Emily Windsnap. Fairy Tale Reform School. Mrs. Bixby's Last Day. A Land of Permanent Goodbyes. Potion Masters. Max Einstein. The Wild Robot. Royal Academy Rebels, Fairy Tale Reform School, and 2 more boxes. That's all just 1 box of books. So what else do we have in here? Packing. So much packing. Better You Than Me. School of Evil number, Good of Evil number 4. Little Apocalypse, The End of the World and Beyond, Wild Robot Escapes, Ultra Ball, Sanity in Tallulah, Standing Up Against Hate, Owls Have Come to Take Us Away, Good Enough, Trevor Noah, the Young Readers Edition. So we already have the adult version, now we have the YA version too. After Zero. Discover Ancient Cultures, so Egypt, Greece, Persia, Mesopotamia, China. Somali Immigrants Tell Their Stories, Electronics for Kids. Spotlight on Native Americans, Comanche, Chickasaw, Ute, Cherokee, Sioux, Pueblo, Muskogee, Seminole, Aztec. What? Man, this box is heavy. Earth, Sun, and Moon. Gravity. Dark Matter. Lewis and Clark. Inheritance and Variation of Traits. Oregon Trail, so these look like good nonfiction. Exploring the Ancient World, so Mesopotamia, Byzantine, Greece, Egypt, Maya, China, and then some more science books, Earth and Space Science, Engineering Design, Life Science, and we still have another book in my cart. It's totally full, so let's see what else we have. Another box. Awesome. We're packing. Oh my goodness, this is like all nonfiction down here. Cell Theory, Micro Worlds, First Settlers, Season Tides, Ancient World, Maya, Mesopotamia, Rome, Greece, India. Forensic Investigations for Maya, China, Aztecs, Romans, Egypt, Greece. DNA and Heredity, Plant Cells, Animal Cells, American Civil War, Mesopotamia, Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, Aztec and Mayans, Medievals. Body and traits and attributes. Renaissance. Solar system. Planets. Giant planets. Comets and meteors. Far planets and beyond. Home planet. I'm super excited about these solar system books because It's Good Science is going to be using them in 2 weeks. Gems. And some more. Ooh. Dreamers in English and in Spanish. Aztecs. And a whole bunch more of Native Americans. And the last 5. Max Axiom, State of Matter. Earth and Moon. Samurai. Yes, We Are Latinos. Freedom from Slavery. For Life and Liberty. Light and Sound, and Forces in Motion. These should all be ready in about a week and a half, so you can come check those out then. See you later.